Hi, I'm Mario. I've had the privilege of working as a CHST safety team member at some high-profile construction projects such as LAX, SoFi Stadium, the Clippers Stadium, and San Onofre Nuclear Power Plant. I'm here to introduce the most advanced QR code technology available and to let you know that it's coming to construction sites across America. It's called the Sequential QR Code, SQR. I'm excited to show you how it works. Stay with me. Once you have scanned the SQR code, you'll notice that the image and information on the person whose hat you've scanned shows up on your mobile phone screen. This is access level 1, where any staff member can scan the hat and receive information about Mr. Rodriguez, including who he works for, his city and state, as well as any union-related information if needed. Tap the Certificates button and you're able to see all current certificates as well as any that have expired or are about to expire. That information is always sent to corporate office so every staff member's certificates remain current. The emergency call button is active and can be customized to auto-dial very specific phone numbers. Each button is pre-programmed for medical, violence, fire, and active shooter. If the active shooter button is tapped, a geolocation trigger is sent to all responders with the exact location sent in data packet. If an administrator or safety professional scans the exact same SQR code, they get a completely different experience. It has all the same features as the level 1 mode, but also has reporting features, emergency contact information details, and enhanced location-based tools to assist with managing safety engineering. If you tap location information, all necessary location data is instantly submitted, including floor-level information, call care on site, and alert safety manager. As an administrator, you're also able to file immediate reports and attach pictures and images if needed. The reports are instantly logged and distributed. When medical emergency responders arrive on the scene, they can scan the same SQR code and are then able to see information specific to medical care, such as blood type, allergies, and whatever other pertinent medical information the worker is willing to share. When I was introduced to the SQR code technology, I was impressed on several levels. First, the immediacy of it, the protection layers offered, the time tracking that allows from incident to resolution, and the many layers involved in the crisis management, and many others. And all of this comes off of just one ordinary QR code that's turned into the sequential QR code. We have also designed and programmed the SQR code to manage roll call at muster stations. When the worker arrives at the muster station, he or she will simply scan the SQR code and roll call can be completed within minutes rather than hours on large projects. Important safety data is monitored and tracked on every construction site that requires record keeping. Thank you for spending this time with me learning more about the SQR code technology.